Okay guys, these are my meats. I've got my chicken here, marinated with some Nando's sauce and salt. I've got my ribs here, British pork ribs, not yet marinated. I'm going to marinate them with some all-peppers, the all-peppers that I bought from Morrison's. Then I've got my sausages, no marination needed for those. It's all going to be barbecued. So I'll show you the marination process. I'm going to wash them with distilled vinegar, distilled malt vinegar. At first I'll just rinse them with cold water. This is what I normally do with all the meats. Just rinse them with cold water. Then I'll just rinse it off. Then I'll lightly dry the ribs with some paper towels so that when I put my spices on there, it won't be too watery. It won't be too wet. So put them over in the baking tray, which has foil lined up, all peppers again. That's our all peppers. So I'm just going to lightly put these all peppers because you want the flavor of the ribs themselves to come through. I'm going to put it both sides. Then I'm going to add a bit of oil. That should be enough. I'll put a bit of oil, then marinate. So I'm just going to put a bit of vegetable oil. Sometimes you can put the oil first, then put the spices on, but I prefer to put the all peppers, then lightly put some oil on. Just lightly, because already they are fatty, isn't it? Then I just make sure that the spice goes in, the oil goes in. So this oil is going to be enough for both sides. Make sure the spice goes in. All peppers has got a bit of salt in it. So sometimes I do add salt depending on whether I add any more spices to the ribs. So guys, all peppers I'm going to put a bit of salt. That's going to be my main spice, but I do add on a few things as required. So this is pink Himalayan salt. I'm going to put just a bit of that. Yeah, I'm going to add on a bit of chicken and steak seasoning, just a bit of it. Then I'm going to put a bit of garlic and coriander, not a lot, just a bit, garlic and coriander. Then I'm going to put a bit of, I was going to put this curry powder, but well, I've decided not to. I need to make sure that the spices go into the ribs themselves. So everything that I'm doing this side, I'm going to do on the other side as well. We've already oiled our ribs, so I'm just making sure that I poke these holes so that the spices go deep into the meat. If I had marinated this yesterday, I'll probably not have had to put so many holes, or might not even have put any holes. Yeah, I think that's enough holes. Now I'm going to marinate to make sure the spices go inside. So I'll do the same on the other side as well. I normally use a board for all this, but just decided this is less messy because everything will be in the foil. Otherwise, that's it for now. I'll do the same on the other side, then I'll wrap this up, leave it for a few minutes, then put it on the barbecue outside. But I'll show you all the whole process. All wrapped up in foil. Smells really good in here. So we were doing all this in low heat. We are just about to take the ribs out of the foil and put it direct on the barbecue and increase the heat. It's on the lowest setting and the middle burner is off. There we go. So we'll move it now. Okay, the ribs are on the grill now. Let's add everything else. Okay, I'll close this for now. We'll add a bit of this into the chicken. Keep it nice and moist. Of the Nando's sauce. Nando's medium piri piri. We'll add the other side as well later on. So I'm just about to put the sauce on the other side. So I'll turn over all the chicken first. It's done. So I'll close this again for a couple of minutes. Then next time I'll be turning over the sausages. Okay, so it looks like everything is done now. I'll take everything indoors and serve it. Smells really good. Okay, I'll take it indoors. This is how I like to finish my ribs. Cut them, put them on the side. There's a bit of sauce, just put a bit of sauce on the sides as well. Then leave them maybe 5 minutes on each side, turn them round and put the sauce on the other side as well. In the meantime, our chicken is done, our sausage is done. Okay guys, it's all done. I'm just about to dish now, but we've got our chicken, we've got our sausage there, and we've got our ribs. So it took slightly longer than I expected, but it's all come out great. So I'll dish it out, and we'll just have the potatoes, potato salad and the meats.